Program, portfolio, project. Wait, no. Portfolio, project, program. Do you know which one is bigger and what are the components of those instances? Let's define how this nested doll works. To start it off, let's recall what a project is. So a project is a temporary endeavor to deliver a unique product, service, or result. So the key criteria here is uniqueness, temporary or limited duration, and the value we are getting in the end. What is more, I'm going to tell you that all the three criteria relate to project, program, and portfolio as well. Let's imagine here is our project. Let's say it is an e-commerce platform that allows customers to order food from the restaurant. It has a web version accessible from the desktop and a mobile application to order food on the go. And the whole system is our project. Thinking from the technical perspective, we will need different skills to deliver web version and mobile application, simply because these are different programming languages. That is why we will need different people or even different teams to deliver them. However, both web and mobile application are the parts of the whole system, the whole project. But how could we logically separate them and keep them all together at the same time? Easily. These are going to be our sub-projects. Have you heard of them? Sub-projects are smaller parts of a bigger project. Here is our big project, the restaurant's ordering system. And here are its sub-projects, web solution and mobile application. Good, but still not clear where portfolio and program go. By the way, let me know in comments if you separate big projects into smaller parts. To define where the program and portfolio go, we need to think strategically. Let's imagine we want to have a profitable solution that is available on several global markets. Now we need the steps to hit this goal. We have a project, which is the restaurant's ordering system, and now we need to know how to deliver this project to the market. Let's imagine that we need to develop the marketing delivery strategy, and it will also include several activities like analysis, SEO optimization, marketing campaigns, lead generation strategy, and so on. And the majority of those activities could be executed only after our restaurant's ordering system is live. And as you know, marketing activities are usually executed by a completely different team. You see, the restaurant's ordering system was developed by the development team, and the marketing delivery strategy is developed by the marketing team, and it usually goes after the development team has completed their work. See how it goes in our picture and how does it fit our product journey. Well, now, when the solution is live, when it's available for the customers, when it's bringing money to the company, what would happen next? I would assume that the company would like to scale the solution to engage the investors and to distribute this solution to other global markets. Sounds great, isn't it? The scaling to other global markets are going to be another project in our product roadmap. Do you see the journey? These are all different projects, but all of them are related to the single product and to the single goal: to have a profitable solution that is available on several global markets. What I'm going to tell you is that this product roadmap is a program, and in other simple words, a program is a pack of simultaneous projects that lead us to the single goal. And we can clearly see this in the steps that we have just discussed. Now we see that the program is bigger than a project, and that a project could be part of a program. But where a portfolio goes? That we have several programs that are related to different products, which are focused on common goals. Do you remember our restaurant's ordering system? Good. Now let's imagine that this restaurant, which we have developed the ordering system for, is located within a supermarket, and the supermarket belongs to the same company. Now imagine that the supermarket wanna sell products to customers online, and this gonna be another separate development project which will have separate marketing delivery strategy and separate scaling strategy. Another program. What is more, we do not want to stop here, And based on our restaurant and supermarket, we have opened the cooking courses. Cooking courses is absolutely separate project with its own marketing and scaling strategies. Third program. Now we have several programs that are focused on a common goal. And voila, portfolio comes in. And portfolio is more about business management. To make it clear, first comes the project. Next, we have a program, which is a collection of simultaneous projects focused on common goals. And on the top of that, we have portfolio, which leads the whole system to the single global target. Another analogy could be that program relates to product management and portfolio is about business management. Now you know how these three instances differ and what goes after what. Literally, first we have a project, which is the smallest one, then we have a program, and then on the top of that we have portfolio. Hope that was helpful, and if so, don't forget to share it with your friends, and don't forget to support me and to give this video a like. Chat soon!